This is a Middleloop quick class.
Hi, I'm Jerry with Middleloop, and this is a quick class, part 5 in our Waypoint series for the Mavic 3. Today we're showing how to set up waypoints without the drone connected to the controller. This quick class is so quick, we don't even have time to remind you to subscribe, like, or hit that notify bell. So let's get started. In part 2 of our series, we implied that you have to have the controller connected to the drone in order to set up the Waypoint Mission Offsite. Well, thanks to one of our viewers, in today's session, we'll show you don't need the drone connected at all. We've successfully tested this on both the RC Pro and the RC-N1 controller. In fact, on the RC-N1 controller, not only do you not need the drone connected, but you don't even need the controller. I know it sounds a little crazy, but since this controller runs the Fly app on a phone, or whatever you're using as the monitor, you can open the Fly app without it being connected to the controller. As always, make sure you're running the current firmware versions. Also, since these controllers can connect to a number of different drones, for this to work properly, it must have been paired to a drone that is compatible with Waypoints the last time you used it, which, at the time of this recording, includes the Mavic 3, Mavic 3 Cine, or Mavic 3 Classic. If DJI adds more, we'll provide an update in the description. With the Fly app open and connected to the internet, tap the Connection Guide button in the lower right. In the upper right, tap Camera View. Now, of course, you'll get this message that the remote controller is not connected, and the screen will be blank because there's no camera connected to view. So let's go ahead and switch to the map view. You may have to tap twice if it's minimized. And that's really all there is to it. From here, you set up the mission exactly as you did before. Tap the waypoint icon to open the interface. If you haven't already, check out part 2 in our series on setting up waypoints off-site. Just ignore the part where we say, with your drone connected. You can tap that link that just popped up above. We've also provided a link in the description to that video, as well as all the videos in our Waypoint series. That's it for this quick class. Thank you, have a great day, and happy flying.